When it comes to studying for VCE Bio, there's one big mistake that a lot of students make, which gets them stuck in this 70-80% ceiling and never being able to improve from there. And that big mistake is always disengaging as soon as they make a mistake on a question. So what I mean is, let's imagine you're doing a question and then you don't know the answer. So then you're like, oh, whatever, I'll go read the answer. And then you read like the 2 paragraphs that's written in the answer sheet and you're like, oh yeah, it makes enough sense. Next question, right? In this process, you've missed out on the key element of actually learning. And that is engaging with your mistakes, understanding your mistakes, and constantly looking at the answer, rereading the answer, thinking about the answer until you actually fully understand it. Because when it comes to these long paragraph responses for VCE Bio, if you don't understand a small part of it, then you're likely lacking key knowledge that is important for the whole study design and area of study. And it's very difficult to engage on these mistakes unless you have a lot of discipline or you have someone else to communicate with regarding this. Because as soon as you communicate to someone else, whether it be your teacher or a tutor or even a friend, that's when your brain starts to think, oh, wait, like I actually don't know this. Like I'm trying to explain it, I'm trying to talk to someone and it doesn't make any sense. And then you have a few more back and forth and you're like, oh, that's how it works. That's why it's really, really important whenever you make a mistake to first slow down, think about the question, think about what you've done wrong, and actually try to conceptually understand the answer. There's no point doing only the questions you know how to do super quickly and feeling really proud of yourself for it, because simply put, constantly doing the questions you already know how to do is not teaching you anything. If you really want to get ahead in VCE Bio, consider booking a free tutoring lesson with me at HZ Tutoring, where we tutors who have gotten 50 study score in bio will be able to help you with all of our advice and ensure that you get those ATARs that you want.